The force that binds us. An introduction to gravity. Have you ever wondered why objects fall to the ground when you drop them? The answer is gravity. Gravity is the invisible force that pulls everything with mass towards each other. It's what makes the apple fall from the tree and what keeps the Earth orbiting the sun. Gravity acts over vast distances, from the smallest particles to the largest galaxies. It's what holds our solar system together and gives rise to the structures we observe in the universe. Without gravity, our world would be a very different place. Imagine a world without oceans, where objects floated aimlessly. Thankfully, gravity keeps things in check, responsible for the structure and stability of our universe. Newton's Law, unveiling the secrets of attraction. Sir Isaac Newton unlocked one of the universe's biggest secrets, the law of universal gravitation. This law explains how gravity works between any two objects in the universe. Newton's law states that every object attracts every other object with a force proportional to their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. The more massive the objects, the stronger their gravitational pull. Distance also plays a crucial role. The farther apart two objects are, the weaker the gravitational force. Imagine holding two magnets close together. They attract strongly. Move them farther apart, and the attraction weakens. Newton's law of gravitation can be represented by a simple equation: F equals g times the product of m1 and m2 divided by r squared. This equation tells us that gravity is a universal force. It acts everywhere in the universe, holding planets in orbit and influencing the motion of galaxies. Gravity on Earth. The reason we fall down, not up. Here on Earth, we experience gravity every single moment of our lives. It's the force that keeps our feet firmly planted on the ground and dictates the path of a thrown ball. One of the most noticeable effects of gravity on Earth is free fall. When an object is dropped, it accelerates towards the ground at approximately 9.8 meters per second squared. This means that for every second an object falls, its speed increases by 9.8 meters per second. Gravity also shapes our planet's atmosphere, holding gases close to its surface. This atmosphere protects us from harmful radiation and allows us to breathe. Without gravity, our atmosphere would drift off into space. Section 4. Mass versus weight. Understanding the difference. Often people use the terms mass and weight interchangeably, but they are distinct concepts in physics. Mass is a fundamental property of an object that measures its resistance to acceleration. It's essentially the amount of matter an object contains. Mass is measured in units like kilograms or grams. Weight, on the other hand, is the force exerted on an object due to gravity. It depends on the object's mass and the strength of the gravitational field it's in. Weight is a force and is measured in newtons. Imagine you have a bowling ball. Its mass remains constant whether it's on Earth or on the Moon. However, its weight would be different in these two locations due to the difference in gravitational pull. Section 5. Gravity's grand dance, shaping the cosmos. Gravity's influence extends far beyond our planet. It's the cosmic architect shaping the universe as we know it. Gravity holds the Earth and other planets in orbit around the Sun. The Sun's massive gravitational pull keeps our planet from flying off into space. Gravity governs the motion of moons around planets, asteroids in the asteroid belt, and even galaxies. Our Milky Way galaxy is held together by the combined gravitational pull of all its stars and dark matter. Gravity's influence is evident in the formation of stars and planets. Clouds of gas and dust in space are drawn together by gravity, eventually igniting nuclear fusion and giving birth to stars. Section 6. Gravity's impact, a force we can't live without. Gravity is an ever-present force in our lives and the universe at large. It's the reason we have tides, the force that shapes galaxies, and the glue that holds our solar system together. Understanding gravity is essential for comprehending the world around us and the vast expanse of space. Scientists are constantly working to unravel the mysteries of gravity, such as its relationship to other fundamental forces. Gravity is a fundamental force of nature that shapes our universe and our everyday lives. Its influence is both awe-inspiring and essential for the existence of the cosmos as we know it. Next time you see an apple fall from a tree or gaze up at the stars, remember the invisible force that connects us all. Gravity,